Hey, so I'm gonna show you how I upcycled or transformed this shoe. I mean, it was okay, but I just wanted to add a little something something. So first, I'm using rhinestone wand and scissors and this rhinestone chain. It comes with a glue attached to the back, so I just shortened it to the length I want, and I'm just using the rhinestone to hold it in place. So you have to do this for some good minutes, and I'm focusing on every part of it, and I'm also focusing on the area where I join or where it meets across here, yeah, where it meets across, to make sure it doesn't go off. And there you have it, like that's it basically. So this is what it looked like before, and this is the other pair. Like, what do you think? I thought it looked really cute. So what do you think of this idea? Bye. Give it a try, let me know. Bye.